I was often asked this question, especially by corporate employees, that do I need to pay any tax? जबकि मेरी सैलरी तो कंपनी टैक्स रिडक्शन करके ही मुझे देती है. What if I have extra income from stock market operations, rental income, interest income? We are going to discuss all of that. So stay till end till you get all your answers. Hi friends, your company will take care of your tax only on your income from salary. But over time, if you have invested your savings in various financial instruments like bank fixed deposit, equity share, mutual funds, or bought a house and given it on rent, then you end up earning income from all these financial instruments like fixed deposit interest, dividend, rental income, and all this income is also subject to tax. By and large, you will get this income after deduction of 10% TDS. And if you are in the tax bracket of 30%, then the difference between 30% and the 10% TDS, that is 20%, is what is your obligation to pay the tax. Now, if your total tax liability after removing the TDS is 10,000 rupees or more, then you are liable to pay advance tax in 4 installments, that is by 15th of June, September, December and March. And if you haven't paid this advance tax, then you are liable to pay interest at the rate of 1% for the non-payment of advance tax or for the delayed in payment of advance tax. And this 1% amounts to 12% per annum, which is a huge amount to shell out just as interest on tax. Now you will realize only when you go to your chartered accountant to file your tax return, your chartered accountant will calculate your total tax liability minus the TDS, and the remaining amount, if it is more than 10,000, will be further added by the interest on delay of payment of advance tax. This is mandatory by law. And as you know, ignorance of law is not an excuse. So let's resolve to be more vigilant, be aware about our obligation to pay advance tax. Let us pay the advance tax in time to avoid any loss on account of interest on this tax. If you found this information useful to you, then like it, subscribe it, and share it with your circle who may also find it beneficial to them.